Here we are. Good morning. We're in Carlsbad, California, one of the most spectacular flower markets in the country. This goes on for miles and miles. We're going to take a short tour. I'm at Twin Flowers today. This is where I buy most of my product from. They have the most gorgeous flowers in the world. Look, baby's breath, making a comeback. So we're at Carlsbad Flower Market today. I'm going to take you on a tour of all this amazing product. It's a sea. If you ever get to San Diego, Carlsbad area, come look at this flower market. It will knock your socks off. Here's a place called Ramirez Floral. He carries a lot of odd Holland products that you don't find everywhere else. Here's a Stilby right there. So take it all in. Carlsbad Flower Market. This is where our classes are held. Schools around the country. Ooh, let's look at the greens. I'm a greens man. And they have every type of green. Someone's piling up their cart with sales. Eucalyptus, seeded eucalyptus. Italian Eucalyptus, Leucadendrum, a row of sunflowers. Everything you need is here. Carlsbad Flower Market. To go here, if you want to shop here, I'm going to give you a secret. Worth the admission price. Go to Twin Flowers, ask for Tony, and tell him you're with me, Michael Gaffney. And he'll allow you to shop wholesale and also give you a good deal on the flowers. So this is your wholesale pass if you're in San Diego. I'll give you other passes in other cities. But for those of you in Southern California, go to Twin Flowers at Carlsbad Flower Market on Dryden. And you will see. Look at here. Here's the inner sanctum, the inner cooler. Look at this place. Who is buying all these flowers? I'm going to come back for some of these today for my class. We're doing sort of a winter themed design class today. Gladiolas, more of those berries. Isn't that pretty? I should leave you with that picture. It's like a forest fire made out of berries. Anyway, Carlsbad Flower Market, take it all in. I'm going to make one more loop. Fall mums, they better sell quick. Fall's almost over. Well, we still got till Thanksgiving, right? Right. But they carry every flower you could imagine. So there's your secret of the day. Come to Carlsbad, San Diego area. Go to the flower market, ask for Tony at Twin Flowers, and tell him Michael from the American School of Flower Design said you can shop here, wholesale florals. Give me some feedback. Tell me what you think. flowerschool101.com saying goodbye from heaven.